Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the work session of the Board of Education on June 4th, 2024. And it's now 6:03 p.m. Will you please stand for the pledge? I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. This evening we're going to start this evening's meeting with our presentations, and we have our preliminary audit committee meeting, and we have Craig Hauser with us this evening. Craig, come on up. You good, Craig?
Perfect. Oh, he took a slap. Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Craig Hauser, and I'm a senior manager at the Rocky Smith. First and foremost, I'd like to thank the Audit Committee and Board of Education for your continued confidence in tracking us as your external auditors for the year ended June 30th, 2024. Tonight's meeting is required by New York State law, and really tonight's meeting is to give the Audit Committee and Board of Education an opportunity to discuss with our external auditors anything you'd like us to review or any concerns you may have for the upcoming audit for us to look at for the audit this summer. So with that being said, I'll go through my prepared comments, and please feel free to interrupt at any time to ask any questions or save your questions for the end. So to begin, for a scope of our services, we are contracted to audit the financial statements for year ended June 30th, in accordance with U.S. Generally Accepted Auditing Standards and government auditing standards. We will also perform a single audit of the district's major federal award programs for fiscal year June 30th, in accordance with the OMB uniform guidance. We will also be auditing the district's classroom activity funds in accordance with U.S. Generally Accepted Auditing Standards, prepared on a cash basis accounting. And one thing I'd like to add, these extra classroom funds are also now included on the district's fund statements under this miscellaneous special revenue fund. So there's a separate extra classroom report, but those numbers are already actually being reported within the fund statements on financial statements. We will issue a management letter presenting the findings and recommendations on improving accounting procedures and internal controls. And lastly, we present our audit plan and results of the audit to the Audit Committee and Board of Education in October. On page 2 of the presentation, similar to last year, I'm not going to go through our entire audit plan, but as you can see, our plan is divided into 4 stages. Planning, which is the stage we are currently in. We develop our audit plan and our timetable. We identify any significant risk areas, and we'll do our tonight's meeting. We do preliminary procedures. Those will be upcoming. I've been working with Ellen and Michael. We will do those preliminary procedures coming on site, reviewing transactions, doing our walkthroughs, doing our preliminary assessment of risk, and reading all minutes for the next couple of weeks before June 30th. Our final audit procedures will be in the middle of August, where we come to perform our year-end balance substantiated procedures. We will confirm any balances for receivables as well as revenue and cash areas, and perform any detailed subsequent review of transactions. And lastly, as I said before, we'll have a draft of the financial statements to the Audit Committee and Board of Education and finalize and submit all reports by October 15th. Page 3, again, it kind of just reemphasizes what I just went through, but as you can see, it gives more definitive dates. As I said before, we were doing our preliminary procedures between June and July. We'll have on-site procedures starting at the end of August, allowing us to complete the August field work by September 6th, which will get us a draft to management for review by September 20th, and a draft to the board by September 27th, allowing us enough time to submit the report by September 15th. Some of our preliminary audit procedures we will be performing in the upcoming weeks. As you can see, we update our understanding of all of the key controls. We do all our testing for purchasing, revenue, and payroll testing, capital expenditure testing, legal testing, budget transfer testing, and any other testing that we deem reasonable and be able to do before getting year-end balances. We obtain all reports from internal auditors, claims lawyers, and any other external party that the district went through. Review the Board of Education meeting minutes, as well as review extra classroom activity funds. And again, page 5, same as last year, these are representative final audit procedures, which again are broken into 4 parts between assets, liabilities and fund balance, revenues and expenditures. I will not go through all of these, but as you can see, we do confirm areas within assets, revenues, and expenditures, as well as provide our data mining and analytical selections for those different accounts that have major differences year over year. And then lastly, again, I went quickly, but these are contact information. My partner, David Tellier, as well as myself. Please feel free, if you have any questions, to Call us at any time during the year, email us, you have our cell phone as well as our office numbers, and we're available to you for any questions. That's it for my prepared comments. Get back to the board. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Craig. Have a great summer.
You too.
Have a
Good summer.
Take
See you in
care.
August.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, agenda item number D. Any old business? We have the work session of the Board of Education now, and if you have any old business on floor?
No.
Any board members, any old business? Let's bring up. Okay. So, agenda item number 2A, review the minutes of the regular Board of Education meeting on 5/29/24. Take a minute to go over those. Everybody good with the minutes? Okay. 2B, questions on the next board agenda, which is 6/11. We have that in front of us. Take a couple minutes to go through that. I'm good. Everybody else have any questions? Take your time. Shoot.
Substitute teachers position. So, 5/12.
Hi.
Are we only looking to appoint one person, or is it looking for additional? Okay.
I believe that's all we have at this present time.
That's how it was finalized at this point. There will be a process, might be ready in time for the board meeting, but we don't bring anyone before the board until they're fully vetted.
Okay, so as of right now, we only have one.
That's right.
We just have to come on, two more. Okay.
That's
Okay.
true.
That's why I was questioning. Okay. Thank you. That's my only question. I think I'm good.
Maureen?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, then can I have a motion to adjourn this meeting of June 4th, 2024, work session Board of Education, and it is now 6:12 p.m. Motion by Ms. Lonigan, second?
Second.
Second by, Maureen, the last name again is killing me, turn around. Mrs. Doyle, thank you very much. All in favor? Aye. Abstain? Heard, so moved. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.